Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Brighter Kids. Today we are going to discuss about properties of whole numbers. In this previous video we discussed about whole numbers. आज का वीडियो हमारा properties of whole numbers. Properties क्या है? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property and identity property. Properties क्यों यूज़ करना है? प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ होल नंबर्स मतलब प्रॉपर्टीज़ नेम्स पढ़ लिए, प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ करें, वैसा नहीं रहना है. प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्यों यूज़ करना है? प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ करने का मतलब क्या है? बिकॉज प्रॉपर्टीज़ हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड नंबर्स बेटर, यूज़ एंड बेटर एंड ईजी वे. प्रॉपर्टीज़ हम यूज़ करें तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में ईजी हो जाएगा और अंडरस्टैंड नंबर्स, we will understand numbers in better way. So we use properties. We have 5 or 6 properties. These are closure property, commutative property, associative, distributive, identity, and also we have an inverse property. But we don't need here inverse property. Okay. Closure property क्या है? Closure property हम सम ऑपरेशंस लेंगे, प्लेस या सब्सट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन. कौन सा भी ऑपरेशन यूज़ करें अंडर क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, दैट मीन्स वी टेक ए और बी. दैट मीन्स ए दैट इज सम नंबर एंड बी आल्सो सम नंबर. सो दिस टू नंबर्स आर whole numbers. Let be whole numbers. A belongs to whole number and also B belongs to whole number. In this closure property, if you add A plus B, that will comes whole number only. That will comes whole number only. If you add or multiplication, it will comes whole number only. Then only it satisfies closure property. That means it close to the whole number. Then only it satisfies closure property. That means A plus B equal to belongs to W. That means A plus B दोनों भी whole numbers है, तो उसका एडिशन जो भी आएगा, that means let's suppose to be take C. C belongs to be also W. So जब कहेंगे this satisfies our closure property. It satisfies our closure property under addition. If you do multiplication, A into B belongs to W, then our result C belongs to W. It comes multiplication. Under multiplication, closure property satisfies under multiplication. So closure property under multiplication and under addition. Suppose हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 और 3. So 2 is a whole number and also 3 is also a whole number. So addition 2 plus 3. What it comes? 5. 5 is also a whole number. So it satisfies our closure property under multiplication. So our next example हम लेंगे 4, 5 under multiplication, closure property under multiplication. So 4 into 5. 4 is a whole number and also 5 is also a whole number. So 4 into 5 equal to 4 into 5 equal to 20. 20 is also a whole number. So multiplication also satisfies our closure property. एडिशन सेटिस्फाई हो गया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन सेटिस्फाई हो गया, उसका मतलब है सब्सट्रैक्शन सेटिस्फाई होगा, डिवीजन सेटिस्फाई होगा. ऐसा नहीं बाय हार्ट करना है, प्रैक्टिकल से करना है. सो सब्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे 4, 5. 4 minus 4 is a whole number, 5 is also a whole number. अब अंडर सब्सट्रैक्शन, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी अंडर सब्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे. So 4 minus 5, what it comes? Minus 1. Is it a whole number? No. It is not a whole number. Negative numbers are not whole numbers. So it does not satisfy closure property. It does not satisfy closure property. Like that, we will check for division. Is this satisfy our closure property or not? Okay, let's take 5, 2. 5 divided by 2. These two are whole numbers, but 5 divided by 2, what it comes? 2.5. Is this a whole number? No. Integers also not a whole numbers. So, it does not satisfy division also. Closure property satisfies only addition and subtraction. It does not satisfy multiplication and division. So, closure property क्या है? कोई भी टू नंबर्स लिए, वो नेचुरल नंबर्स हो, होल नंबर्स हो, जो भी हो, उसका एडिशन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी अपना रिजल्ट है, वो होल नंबर ही आना चाहिए. जो भी होल नंबर्स लिए तो उसका रिजल्ट होल नंबर्स आना चाहिए. अगर हम नेचुरल नंबर्स लिए तो उसका रिजल्ट नेचुरल नंबर्स ही आना चाहिए, तब क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई हो जाता. सो हियर एडिशन एंड multiplication satisfies our closure property. Next, come to our property, commutative property. What is commutative property? Suppose we take two numbers a comma p belongs to whole numbers. Then what it satisfies? Commutative property is if we add two whole numbers a plus b is equal to b plus a. Then it reverts also same for both. Then it satisfies commutative property. We take example. Let me show you. 2, 3. These two numbers belongs to whole numbers. Then we take 2 plus 3. Equal to, we have to reverse here, 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3, what it comes? 5. Here through 3 plus 2 is also a 5. So, what shows here? It satisfies commutative property under addition. Here a plus b equal to b plus a. It satisfies under addition. We will check another operation. Here we have plus, minus, division, multiplication. We have to check all these 4 operations. Let me check for multiplication. A into b equal to b into a. This is the commutative property. So, 4 into 5 equal to 5 into 4. We have to by heart these formulas. What is the closure property formula, how it comes, and commutative formula, associative property. Because we use these properties in more problems in higher grades also, because it becomes simple way. 20 equal to 20. As commutative property satisfies here under multiplication also. Here we do addition and subtraction. Please do addition and subtraction for commutative property, and please comment your answers in the comment section. Commutative property, addition, division and subtraction. Is there two operations are satisfying commutative property or not? Please do the answer in the comment section. Next, our property is associative property. What it says, if you do two operations, you have to take 3 numbers here, a plus b plus c. So we have to do 2 operations addition first. It comes a plus b plus c. If it satisfies this formula, associative property is satisfied. Let me check. We have to take examples 1, 2, 3. These three are whole numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to what it comes? 1 plus 2 means 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Let me check here. A plus B plus C. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3. We have to do this operation first. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 means 5. What it comes? 6. 6 equal to 6. So it satisfies associative property. So here addition satisfies associative property. Whole numbers satisfies associative property under what operation? Addition operation. Next we will do here for multiplication. A comma B comma C belongs to whole numbers, and A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Suppose we take 2 comma 3 comma 4. These three numbers that belongs to whole numbers. So 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 2 into 3 into 4. So what it comes? 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 into 4. Here 2 into 3 4 is 12. Here 6 4 is 24. And 12 2 is 24. It satisfies associative property under multiplication. We have to check all these operations. These are satisfying or not. Next, our property is distributive property. What it says? Distributive property. A plus B plus C equal to, it distributes for both numbers, A into B plus A into C. This is a distributive property of multiplication under addition. So let's suppose take one example. 1 comma 2 comma 3 belongs to whole numbers. So 1 into 2 plus 3 equal to 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here also 1 into 5 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. That means distributive satisfies whole number. Why we use this all properties? इसका यूज़ क्या है? प्रॉपर्टीज यूज़ करने का मतलब क्या है? तो सपोज एक एग्जाम्पल, let me take one example. Suppose 196. If you have any problems on like this, 57, large numbers, we have to do additions or subtractions for large numbers. So large numbers को easy way में solve करने के लिए हम properties को use करेंगे. So like this, here 57 plus 4. How it comes? 4 plus 57 by use of commutative property. हम यहाँ commutative property use कर सकते हैं क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम को इजी करने के लिए 196 प्लस 57 एडिशन करना, फिर जो भी आएंगे उसको प्लस 4 करना, हो तो लॉन्ग प्रोसेस है. प्रोसेस को सिंपल वे में और इजी वे में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज प्रॉपर्टीज. So that's why 196 plus, here we use which property? Commutative property. It comes 4 plus 57. It comes 4 plus 57. So now 4 plus 57. So here 196 plus 4 plus 57. Which property we use here? Here we use associative property. Here we use associative property. So what it comes here? 200. 196 plus 4. What it comes here? 200 plus 57. Our answer is 257. Like this प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ करते हुए प्रॉब्लम को ईजी बना सकते हैं और नंबर्स को बेटर से अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ करेंगे. और आवर लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी. आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी जो भी होल नंबर, लेट्स सपोज टेक 2 होल नंबर. If we add whole number, any whole number to 0, it comes that number only. 0 plus 2 is 0. Then here 0 is called additive identity. Suppose we take here 5. 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 5 is a whole number. Any whole number if you add to 0, then it comes that number, that whole number only. Then we say 0 is called our additive identity. Like that. What is our multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity. If you take any whole number, let's suppose take 9. If we multiply with 1, it comes that number only. So what one is called multiplicative identity. What is called here? One is called multiplicative identity. Let's suppose take 18. 1 into 18 is called 18 only. So here one is called multiplicative identity. These are the properties of whole numbers. We have to understand these all properties, formulas, and how we are using, what operations we are using. In associative property we are using only. In distributive property we are using only addition and multiplication. Identity property, closure property, commutative property, we have to understand in better way these properties, and we have to do in lots problems, we have to do in lots operations in a simple manner. In a simple manner we have to use these properties. These properties help us to understand numbers in better way. This is our today's topic, properties of whole numbers. Please share the video. If this video is helpful, please share the video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get further class notifications. Thank you.